Exploring the United States. The United States is a large country with many different landscapes and climates. Some states have tall mountains and forests, while others have beaches, deserts, or large cities. Looking closely at a few states helps show how diverse the United States can be. One state known for its mountain landscape is Colorado, located in the western United States. Many of the Colorado's mountain peaks rise more than 14,000 feet above sea level. The state is home to Rocky Mountain National Park, where visitors can see alpine lakes, forests of pine and spruce trees, and animals such as elk, moose, black bears, and bighorn sheep. During the winter, heavy snowfall makes Colorado a popular destination for skiing and snowboarding. In the summer, people visit the mountains to hike, camp, and explore scenic trails while watching wildlife in the forests and valleys. Another well-known state is Arizona. Located in the southwestern United States, Arizona is famous for its desert landscapes, red rock formations, and large canyons. The state is home to the Grand Canyon, one of the most famous natural landmarks in the world. The canyon stretches about 277 miles long. Visitors travel there to hike along the rim, watch the sunset over the canyon walls, or raft down the river. Arizona also includes Saguaro National Park, where giant saguaro cacti grow tall in the desert. Animals that live in Arizona's deserts include coyotes, roadrunners, rattlesnakes, desert tortoises, and javelinas. In the southeastern United States, the state of Florida has a warm climate. The state has a landscape of 1,300 miles of coastline, making it famous for its beaches. Miami Beach is one known for its white sand and clear blue water. Florida is also home to Everglades National Park, a large wetland ecosystem where animals such as alligators, manatees, panthers, and many species of birds live. Visitors often take boat tours through the wetlands to see wildlife in its natural habitat. Many travelers also visit Orlando to see theme parks such as Walt Disney World and Universal Studios. In the northeastern United States, the state of New York offers both natural beauty and large cities. New York City is the largest city in the United States and is known around the world for famous landmarks such as the Statue of Liberty, Times Square, and Central Park. Outside the city, the state of New York has many natural attractions. Niagara Falls, one of the most powerful waterfalls in North America, attracts millions of visitors each year. The state also includes the Adirondack Mountains, where animals such as a white-tailed deer, black bears, beavers, and bald eagles can often be seen in forests and near lakes. These states show how different parts of the United States can be. Colorado is known for its towering mountains and wildlife-filled forests, Arizona for its deserts and the Grand Canyon, Florida for its beaches and wetlands, and New York for its busy cities and powerful waterfalls. Together, these examples help show why the United States is so diverse and interesting. Number 1. What is the main idea of the passage? A. The United States has many famous cities and theme parks. B. Different states in the United States have different landscapes, animals, and attractions. C. Colorado has the tallest mountains in the country. Or D. Arizona has the largest canyon in the world. Number 2, Part A. What idea do the descriptions of Colorado, Arizona, Florida, and New York help the reader understand? A. The United States has many different types of natural environments. B. The most states in the United States are located near the ocean. C. The United States is mostly made up of deserts. Or D. Most people live in cities rather than natural areas. And then Part B, which detail best supports the answer in Part A. So based on what you answer here, now pick the correct detail to support it. A. The canyon stretches about 277 miles long. B. Visitors often take boat tours through the wetlands. C. Some states have tall mountains and forests, while others have beaches, deserts, or large cities. Or D. Known around the world for its famous landmarks such as the Statue of Liberty. Now you have question number 3. It's a short answer question. How is Colorado's landscape different from Florida's? Use 2 details from the passage in your answer. So you're going to type in the computer. First write it on your paper and then type it in your computer. Colorado's landscape is different from Florida's in 2 ways. First, Colorado is different than Florida because fill in the blank. Second, Colorado is different than Florida because fill in the blank. And then your concluding sentence. Both of these reasons show that Colorado's landscape is different from Florida's landscape. Okay, if you go back to the passage, we have this as the Colorado section, and then this as the Florida section. So go back and have me reread those 2 sections, and then come back and answer these questions for number 3. How's Colorado and Florida different? And then number 4, the constructed response opinion writing. Which state from the passage, meaning Colorado, Arizona, Florida, or New York, would be the best to visit? Write an opinion piece explaining your choice. Use at least 2 reasons and details from the passage to support your opinion. Be sure to clearly state your opinion. Give at least 2 reasons for your choice. Use details from the text to support your ideas, and write incomplete sentences. So the blue is us stating our opinion, and then these are each of our reasons and explanation, or details from the text. Okay, so in my opinion, blank, which state would be the best state to visit because why? The first reason I think this is, in the passage it says, the second reason I think this is, in the passage it says, both of these reasons are why I think blank would be the best state to visit. So pick which state you think is the best, find 2 reasons from the text, and then explain that reasons in your own words as well. So go back, figure out which state you think would be the most interesting or best to visit. Pick two sentences from the paragraph about that topic. So this first, sorry, I'm trying to scroll up. This first paragraph, this is the introduction paragraph. This first paragraph is about Colorado. So if you think Colorado is the best, pick two sentences from here. If you think Arizona is the best, pick two sentences from here. If you think Florida is the best, pick two sentences from here. And if you think New York would be the best, pick two sentences from this section. And then this is the concluding paragraph. And then you take those, you're going to put them here in the passage it says. You're going to write the sentences from the paragraph and then put it in your own words here. Raise your hand if you need any more help. Thanks for listening.